good morning, and welcome back to Controlled Chaos Painting. I'm Ken, and once again, I'll be your artist today. A few things I want to mention. One, hopefully you enjoyed the previous video, the fireworks show. Sorry, I know it wasn't painting, but we really wanted to do that for you guys. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Also, I'm gonna redo an older painting that I had done before. I called it Kaleidoscope, like the children's kaleidoscope, and I induced a cracking effect on it, and I thought I would like it, but I wasn't totally pleased with the cracking effect. So I'm going to redo it, a little bit different colors and everything. I just can't remember how I did it, honestly. So yeah, it might have been a cut pour. I don't know, but we'll give it a shot. So again, if you're enjoying these videos, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification button for upcoming videos. Let's get painting.
Say you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell you. I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. No. And I ain't never gonna stop. Come on, listen to me. I've tried so many times to tell you this is as good as I can be. Why isn't it enough to be faithful and also be the hit of the party? Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell you. Don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what
Okay, I'd like to thank you for joining me on this painting journey. It's complete, and in a moment, like normal, you're going to get the close-up. I kind of like it. The colors blended a little bit more than I wanted to. But, you know, I seem to find beauty in almost all the paintings. So, also, hopefully the video's coming out a bit better. Before, I was videoing it on a GoPro Hero 8. This is the new GoPro Hero 11. 12's coming out soon. So hopefully you enjoy that. We're going to go ahead and do the close-up. And also, about the next painting, I'm going to do something different. My roots is actually painting miniatures. Can you see that real well there? That's a nice troll, and I'm going to go ahead and paint it, and when it's done, it should be pretty gorgeous. I've got a lot of years painting those. So, again, I appreciate your time, and if you do enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification button for upcoming videos. Remember, I value you all.